Welcome back to the third part of the HTML video tutorial. Here we want to look at some other HTML elements that we have not discussed in part 2. So here we have the horizontal rule HR, we have the bold tag, B, we have the italics, and we have the break tag that we want to look at. So if you observe your web browser before now, you observe that after each order, what we have is still on the same line with the information. For example, you can add a matching cover page, blah blah blah, like that. So they are still on the same line. So you see the function of that BR as a break tag. That is a break line. So those are the things that we want to discuss in this video. Probably we can also add some other information there. Now, the horizontal rule is going to create a horizontal line immediately after the heading 1, which is video information. The B is going to make the word professionally bold, very clear, and more darker than all other text that we have there. Then the italics, as we know it in Microsoft Word, is going to make the sent a bit slant to show a kind of information that is actually pointing at. So when I save this work and we go to our web browser, then by the time we preview this, so we're going to see the effect of all the elements that I've mentioned. So let's take a look at this now. This is the horizontal rule, okay? Professional, bold, themes and styles, italicized, then break line for it breaks the line right from the immediately after the order, because that's where the break line is actually specified. So these are the effect of the added HTML elements. Now I may prefer to use a particular color for my horizontal row, so I can just specify the color that I want to use by saying color equal to, okay, I want to use red, by saying color equal to red. So I will have my work save and close the angular bracket for the horizontal row, have the work saved, then preview the work. So red, so you can decide to use any color of your choice. So these are some of the ways of adding information to beautify our web pages. So far so good. We can observe that our background, the body of our web page is white. That is by default. So we may decide to apply another color, so background color. So all we need to do is to come to the body, then I say style equal to background color, then the color that we want. Okay, so let's assume I'm trying to use so I like using gray color. So just save your work and preview your work, click the refresh. So that's how you apply background color to your work. So I'm going to discuss more of these background properties, then text properties, and so on and so forth as we move on. So I'm going to put an end to this video. Then we move to part 4, discussing the background property or text properties. Thank you.